Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Rover remote key fob. What we need to do is we need to split the two halves of the case to gain access to the battery. We do so by getting a flat-headed screwdriver like this one, quite a thin one, and at the bottom of the key fob there is a small indentation, just enough size to fit the blade of your screwdriver in, like so, and give it a little twist, which breaks the two halves of the key fob case apart. Just go along and gently prise it apart. Try not to damage the case. And there you go. And that is your key fob battery. We just need to slide it out from its housing, like so. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply get our new key fob battery and we slide it back into the housing, making sure on this one that the writing is facing upwards, like so, so we know it's in its correct location. And now it's just time to pop it back together. So we get the other half of the case, we make sure it all lines up, and we just simply click it back together. And there you go, it's all done.